Hi friends, let me show you this new Galaxy Z-Fold-6 case that I received for reviewing purposes. It has a back kickstand also, so it's really convenient. Let me show you. You get the user manual, of course, and your phone will be here. This part goes to the opening part of the phone, and here you get the back part of the phone. This is the space for the cameras. And when you have your phone ready, you can open it. And if you want to see a video or work like a tablet, you just open this back kick and you can put it like that, like a tablet. So you get all the screen to work, to play, or to see a movie, okay? So it has this kickstart, like this back stand. And when you put your phone, when you fold your phone, it is really slim. You can bring it with you in your front pocket or in your back pant pocket. So if you have a Galaxy phone Z-Fold-6, this case is great for you. Thank you.